Let's begin your postgraduate application. To submit a postgraduate application, please follow the next steps. Step 1 is to go to our website, london.aru.ac.uk, and click Apply Now, located in the top left corner. Step 2 is to log in to the application portal. Now it's time to begin your application. You will need to enter your details in 5 different sections. The first section is Course Detail, where you give the details of the course that you want to study. The next section is Personal Information. Please make sure you enter all of your details correctly. If you're not sure what to write, place your mouse on the question marks to get more information. The next section is your personal statement. Here, you should explain why you want to study this course, any relevant experience you have, as well as your skills, attributes, and long-term plans for the future. In the next section, you should upload all the documents which are relevant to your application. There is a list here which explains what is needed. Finally, you will see a summary of your application. Make sure you check that everything is correct. Then read the declaration, and when you're happy with everything, tick the 3 boxes and then click Submit. Thank you for submitting your postgraduate application. Our admissions teams will be in touch with you shortly. If you do have any questions or need assistance with any step of the application process, please just contact us at admissions@london.aru.ac.uk.